Hey Zach, can I show you I finished my lip piercing um a few minutes ago, maybe 5 minutes ago. So it's not it's not so hard, but I screwed because I use wrong material. I use syringe instead Avocat like that page 20. So this sample that I use. So don't use this because it takes so much pain. Man, it's hard. So hard. This one. So this is don't use that. Man, don't use that. Because when I try maybe 3 holes, I punch I find I punch 3 times. So 3 holes. So 3 holes inside. Inside here is 3 holes. See this? Too much pain. So it's better to use what you call this gauge 22 Avocat and use what you call that use use a ovum forceps to cleanse your lips so that after you cleanse your lips you can insert the needle. And after that you can insert the needle. After you insert the needle, follow the follow the jewelry, your jewelry. Then when I'm doing this is so hard because 3 times I punch and after that I take off because the needle is too little. So you need to use a 19 gauge Avocat or 20. Don't use like something gauge 20 gauge 21 9 20 22. Don't use because it's too much small. You cannot insert the it's hard to insert the jewelry. So this is I shared my experience to how to self piercing, lips piercing, snake bites. So I'm screwed, but it's good. See, I don't have video because I think it's not done. When you see my video, when I have the video, it's done, man. It's hard, too much. So thanks. Bye.